The Chasing X, an industrial-grade underwater robot, is a revolutionary, era-defining intelligent marine device designed for professional uses. The forward maximum flow resistance is 4.5 knots, with lateral flow resistance at 2 knots, allowing for stable operation even at high speeds. It intelligently senses water flow direction and automatically adjusts the body posture to achieve omnidirectional intelligent flow resistance and precise control. Equipped with a self-developed electronic PTZ, it automatically corrects its horizontal alignment, ensuring stable imaging and precise filming in complex underwater currents for efficient operation. One-click flip to capture and record panoramic data, allowing for review and adjustment of any angle in post-processing, ensuring no detail is missed. Its modular design features 8 thrusters in a vector layout and an anti-collision protection frame design. Chasing X has a maximum depth range of 350 meters and an operational radius of 400 meters, supporting flexible movement in 6 directions, meeting the demands of various water environments. It supports simultaneous mounting of multiple accessories with quick disassembly and assembly of the accessories. Chasing X is suitable for a wide range of applications, including emergency rescue, fish farming, water conservancy and hydropower, hull and dock inspection, pipeline inspection, offshore wind power, offshore drilling platforms, scientific research, and environmental protection. The next-generation 4K low-light camera is specifically designed for dark environment and comes with standard EIS optical standardization, significantly enhancing observation quality. Its newly optimized imaging algorithm ensures clear underwater vision and accurately restores underwater scenes. Paired with a 12,000-lumen LED light, it improves shooting performance in low-light environments during deep diving operations. The robot also features a waterproof remote controller with a touch screen, enabling real-time viewing of high-definition underwater footage, unaffected by harsh weather conditions, for an exceptional control experience. An optional shore-based power supply system is available, enabling unlimited operation time and ensuring uninterrupted underwater tasks. The Chasing X SDK open platform supports customization and development in multi-scenarios. With more powerful performance, higher reliability, and an open platform, Chasing X empowers a wider range of underwater applications to smartly explore the unexplored.